Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with an American lock. This is by Thumper. This is a 5200 challenge lock, as you can see, and it says ran out of keys, so this is all right. This is a key retaining lock, so let's see if we can get her open, and we're going to do it my favorite way, backwards. Oops. Hey. There you go. Got her. Unfortunately, that happened. That's just an unfortunate part of it, you know, but we did get it. So I'll turn this just a hair more. So when we crank it, it's going to pop it. As you can see, there she is. Nice. So let's go ahead and grab a pinning tray. See what we got inside this bugger. Now this is like the second or even maybe the third time I've tried to record this. Last time I recorded it, or the first time I should say, shit was bad, man. I locked it back up, forgot that I didn't have a key. It was all bad. Anyway, check out this core that came in this thing. It's a 5-pin core. It's not your standard American, but it's just weird, dude. I don't get why they would put such a piece of shit core in a lock. Does not make a lick of sense to me. Not one single lick, I tell you. So let's go ahead and grab a follower. After, of course, put a shim in this bad boy. There you go. And all right, let's see here. Looks like we had to pick them all, but we only had to pick, barely had to pick 1 and 4. Looks like we got some threading in there too. We have a standard. 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 And a steel one. That's interesting. If you look close, all of these have threading in them. So that's cool. Now let's go backwards on this thing. All right. See what we got here. All right, we have a serrated. Serrated. Like a spool. A serrated spool, nonetheless. A serrated spool. And last but not least, a serrated. So, and as you can see in here, but every one of these guys in here is threaded too. So, cool. Super zoom here for you. Again, we have standard across the bottom, serrated spool, and a serrated. And everything in the core and the Bible was serrated, so, or threaded. Again, this is K1 Locks coming at you with a Thumper 5200 American lock. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.